Hey everyone, welcome back. And this is the camera actually, Nikon 5Z. And this is not new, but actually it is used. And the guy was generous enough, he gave me this beautiful bag as a gift. Okay. And also this one, an SD, 64 gigabytes. Okay, for recording. Okay, for the camera. So, and as you can see, guys, here, this is the original box. It appears to be really not affected. Still, hopefully new, and we'll see. Hopefully, the camera. The camera is not alone. There is a Nikon lenses with it. Okay, with some zooming functionality. And as you can see here, this is most of the. It doesn't have the nothing. Like for instance, there is no user manual. It's okay. So let's go ahead and open this camera, guys. So we have here. Those are the belts for this handy bag. Okay. All right. This is for the power. This is the camera itself, and it appears really in a very, very good condition, guys. The screen is nearly new. So we are going to test it, guys, in a very hard conditions to make sure that it will actually provide the maximum of it, especially in the low light, extreme low light. Oh, I have some paints in my hand. Okay, no problem. So this is the camera, and this is the beautiful Nikon Z mount. Z mount is actually for Nikon mounting. By the way, you can actually check your cameras I'm sorry, your camera mount to check what are the suitable lenses for you by writing in Google. For instance, you can write what mount is on camera, and then you provide the name of your camera. You will get it here. So this is the Nikon Z lenses, zoomable lenses from 42 millimeters into 70 millimeters. Okay, you have the automatic focus here, very good. And here you can see, yeah, so from 24 to 70 millimeters, the aperture of f-stop is 4. Is it 4? Yeah, 4S. And this is the this is for the ND. It's called the thread size. This is the thread size here, which is actually denoted by this thigh symbol here. So the thread size here is 72. So if you want to go and buy a filter ND on it, you got to ask for the thread size 72. Okay, so let's go ahead, guys, and test it. Here we go. This is also the data connection cable, and this is the battery compartment. Yeah, we have the battery here. This is the battery. Let's go ahead and charge it to make sure that it is fully charged before we do anything. So while it's charging, we are going actually to set up the camera together and to be connected through the cell phone by the Wi-Fi, and we are going to turn off the light in this room. We will test it primarily on the low light here, then we'll go out to the desert to do the low light stressing extreme testing to check out how the output footage will be from this camera. All right. It's worthy to say that this was actually 2 years or 3 years ago was actually 2 years ago was manufactured. It was first manufactured 21st of July to 2020. Okay, so it's still applicable today, but of course there are more higher specification than this, but it is going to be awesome with the correct and suitable setup for photographing the the night activities and the stars and the moon, astrophotography, all these things. So we are going to tackle all of that, guys, in addition to the maximum setup for this camera. Let's go now for the specifications. I'm going to put a link for you there at the description box from Nikon company for the specifications, additional specifications not found in the Nikon website. I'm going to provide it also for more details. Then later on we are going to discuss all these and we'll go for the setup.